This is the Acer Chromebook Spin 714, and Acer says it's the Chromebook that can finally replace your everyday laptop. Big claim, right? Because, let's be honest, Chromebooks used to be slow, plasticky, and basically just good for Google Docs and YouTube. But after using this as my main machine for work, emails, multitasking, and even some light creative stuff, I found something they don't really hype enough. And yeah, this might surprise you.
Product overview.
So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Acer Chromebook Spin 714, a premium 2-in-1 Chromebook, depending on configuration. It's powered by Intel 13th Gen Core processors, comes with a 16:10 touchscreen display, and runs full ChromeOS. This Chromebook is clearly aimed at students, remote workers, and everyday professionals who want something fast, flexible, and low maintenance. The big selling point here is simple: ChromeOS convenience with real laptop-level performance. Acer isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, they're just making a Chromebook that actually feels grown up. Performance. I use the Spin 714 for everything from writing scripts to answering emails to running 20+ Chrome tabs, Google Meet calls, YouTube playback, and Android apps in the background. And honestly, it barely broke a sweat. Thanks to Intel 13th Gen Core i5 or i7 options, this thing feels closer to an Ultrabook than a budget Chromebook. Scrolling is smooth, apps open instantly, and ChromeOS animations are snappy. Even Android apps, which can sometimes feel janky, ran better here than on cheaper Chromebooks. And I appreciated how quiet it stayed. The fans rarely kicked in, and when they did, they were barely noticeable. Now, is this a gaming machine? No. And you're not doing heavy video editing here. But for 90% of people's daily workload, the Spin 714 feels fast, reliable, and frustration-free, which is exactly what a Chromebook should be. Features and tech. First, the 14-inch 16:10 touchscreen. That taller aspect ratio gives you more vertical space, which means less scrolling when reading articles or editing documents. Once you use it, going back to 16:9 feels cramped. Second, the 2-in-1 hinge. You can flip this into tablet mode, tent mode, or stand mode. That's clutch for watching videos, taking notes with a USI stylus, or using it casually on the couch. Third, Thunderbolt 4 support. Yes, on a Chromebook. This means fast external storage, multiple displays, and proper docking support. Plug it into a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and it becomes a legit desk setup. And finally, ChromeOS itself. Automatic updates, built-in security, fast boot times, and zero maintenance. You open the lid, and you're working, no fuss. Design and build. Design-wise, Acer really nailed it. The Spin 714 is made of aluminum and it feels solid. No creaks, no flex. It has that clean, professional look that works in a classroom, office, or coffee shop. The keyboard is spacious with good travel, making long typing sessions comfortable. The trackpad is large, smooth, and reliable. No complaints here. At about 3.3 pounds, it's not the lightest Chromebook ever, but it feels well-balanced and sturdy. My only nitpick? It does pick up fingerprints pretty easily. Not a deal breaker, just something you'll notice. Battery life. Battery life is good, but not class-leading. In real-world use, browsing, writing, video calls, I consistently got around 9 to 10 hours. That's enough to get through a full workday or school day without panic charging. ChromeOS efficiency helps here, but Intel's performance chips do draw more power than ARM-based Chromebooks. Still, this is dependable battery life, not the baby-it-all-day kind. Pros. Fast, reliable Intel Core performance. Excellent 16:10 touchscreen. Premium aluminum build quality. Cons. Battery life is good, not amazing. Fingerprint-prone finish. Final verdict. Look, if you're a student, remote worker, or everyday professional who lives in Chrome, Google Docs, Zoom, and web apps, this is one of the best Chromebooks you can buy. It's fast, well-built, flexible, and finally powerful enough that you won't feel limited. But if you rely on Windows-only software, heavy video editing, or gaming, this isn't for you. Grab a Windows Ultrabook instead. For everyone else, this is a Chromebook that doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a smart choice. And honestly, that's the highest compliment I can give it. So, that's my take on the Acer Chromebook Spin 714. But now I want to hear from you. Would you use this as your main laptop, or are Chromebooks still a hard pass? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this review helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.